Hi guys, so we are back. It's now just after 9:15 in the evening and I'm going to switch off the machine and we're going to empty the tank. So let's have a look what we've taken out of the air today. Oh, there's a lot. This is tricky work to do with one hand. As you can see, it's full. It does have an automatic shut off. And that is all moisture that's come out of the air. And now I'll go and I'll put it back. And this will get through the night until tomorrow. And it will go again all evening until the morning and I'll empty it again.